Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing on this Apple TV 4K. So right here, this is where you're going to tear this. And then, there's one up top too. Tear both of them and it should come out. Now be careful, you don't want it to fall out. Sometimes Apple products have as soon as you open them up, the product wants to come right out. Yeah, so be careful, it could fall out. All right, let's take it out. That looks nice. We've got the remote. And we got the cable, and we've got some instructions way down there. That looks like it. So let's see. We've got some stuff on here, like a big sticker. And this one right here also. All right. Remote comes out. I think we have to charge this with USB-C. Yeah, right there. And here's the power adapter. So you're simply going to plug this into an outlet, and then this side plugs in to the Apple TV. Looks like it'll only go, will it only go? No, it's reversible. So we can plug this in either way. There's the HDMI out. And that's it. That's the only two things. Power, HDMI out. Wow, very simple. Let's take a look here. Some instructions, very simple. All right, the remote. There's the power button in the top right. We got a clicker and a thumb pad. We've got Siri on the right, back, home, play, mute, and volume. And then USB. So it doesn't come with any kind of USB-C cable to charge this with. So you are going to need a USB-C cable and a wall charger, and you'll have to plug it in here and charge it. All right, I plug it into the wall. Yeah, really no indication that it's charging. Yeah, power, HDMI out. That's it. Very simple instructions. So yeah, you really don't get any indication that it's charging. I don't see the lights, but it probably does need charged. All right, remote, 5 1/4 inches that way, 1 3/8 inches that way, not very thick at all. Maybe 1/4 inch thick. This little box here, 3 5/8, looks like it's a 3 5/8 square. Height-wise, about 1 inch. You know, and back, I'm not sure exactly. Here's the back. So if you need some measurements, like where the HDMI cable comes out, looks like somewhere around between 2 1/4 and 3. It's a little hard to see, and it's about right there in the middle. It's like a pretty slick, but sort of a rubber grippy material, not too grippy though. The cord is 2-prong and it's 5 feet long. So on the bottom, they really hide the power consumption. This is the model number A2737, 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, 1 amp, 15 watts is what it consumes. Those are super hard to see. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.